Most people don't realize this, but your entire relationship with money was programmed long before you earned your first dollar. And if you don't understand that programming, you'll keep repeating the same financial mistakes, no matter how much you earn. The truth is, every one of us carries money scripts, deep beliefs we absorbed in childhood, and these scripts silently control how we spend, save, earn, and even fear money. Maybe you grew up hearing, "We can't afford it," or "money is stressful," or "rich people are greedy." And without knowing it, you inherited financial behaviors that were never yours to begin with. Your brain is also wired to chase quick rewards, which is why impulsive buys feel exciting, but long-term saving feels boring, making you stuck in a loop where short-term pleasure keeps winning over long-term wealth. Add social comparison to the mix: your friend's Tesla, someone's designer watch, the vacation photos on Instagram, and suddenly your brain feels like you're falling behind, even though you're only comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Deeper than all of this is your financial identity, your subconscious belief about how much money you think you deserve, which acts like a thermostat. Even if you earn more, your actions drag you right back to where your identity feels comfortable. And the fear of loss makes it worse, because humans feel the pain of losing money twice as intensely as the joy of gaining it, trapping most people in hesitation, overthinking, and missed opportunities. But once you break these hidden psychological patterns, once you rewrite your money script, understand your reward system, stop comparing yourself to illusions, raise your identity, and make peace with calculated risk, you unlock a new, powerful way of seeing money, not as stress, not as fear, but as a strategic tool for freedom. If you want to take this transformation even deeper, watch my next video called "How to Rewire Your Mind for Wealth," because once your mindset upgrades, your financial life follows.